I'm going to redesign my current portfolio website. I wanted to have an outstanding design, but I do not want to spend hours and hours on designing the website myself. Luckily for me, there is a new tool called Midjourney which can generate images for you based on some textual input, and I'm going to use it to design my new website. This video will be the first video in a small series of rebuilding my portfolio website. In this video, I will create the design of my website. In the next video, I will implement the design on my website, which is built with Quick and Tailwind CSS. For the new people on the channel, my name is Brian Hannes. I'm a front-end software engineer, and on this channel you can find more content about front-end technologies such as Angular and other technologies I have been experimenting with. But now let's dive into the video. So the first step in redesigning my portfolio website is of course generating the designs with Midjourney. I'm going to take you through all the steps how you can do this and use some tips and tricks. So if you go to the website of Midjourney, which is midjourney.com, you can see that we can join the beta. And the beta is just an invite to a Discord. So we can start generating new images in one of the newcomer rooms. Open up. So if we want to generate our image, we can do this with the command called imagine. Type in a slash and then imagine. We can give in our prompt. So the only difficulty we have now is putting in a valid prompt, which will generate the output we want. In order to do this, we have to be very specific. So we cannot just write portfolio website design, but we also have to add things like colors or the style we want it to be. So I like my websites to be quite simple and minimalist. So I'm going to use this word in the prompt. And I want a website design. I'm a software developer, so maybe I should include this in the prompt. And I wanted to have light colors and orange accents and some good UI UX, so I'm going to use these keywords in the prompt as well. UI UX, press enter, and it should start generating the for me. So we can see the progress in real time. So these are the images that are generated by Midjourney. So now it is just a matter of choosing a design, or if we are not content with any of the designs generated, then we can adapt the prompt and generate a new mockup. So I'm quite a fan of the one in the left top corner, this one. So, but I want some variations, so we can upscale or create a variation on the images with the buttons below. So numbers go from 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right corner. So I want to create a variation on the first image. I can click V1. As you can see, these variations are quite minimal, but sometimes that is enough for what we want. I'm going to continue with this one. So let's create another variation on version 2 of this image. So we can see that we have some other variations. I actually quite like this second design, so I'm going to kill this. So Midjourney is done upscaling our image, and I think it's looking pretty good. So we can conclude that we can use Midjourney quite easily to generate mockups for our website or for other purpose, but we still need to be a bit creative with the prompt. We have to tell a lot of details, the style that we want, the colors, and another thing that can be improved is, well, let's say we generated a design with loads of assets, background images, a lot of cool generated images, like product images or something like that. It would be nice to have like a generated folder with all of the assets in it, because right now we have to extract like all of the images out of the mockup, which can be not so good for the quality. But overall, it is quite easy to generate the mockups, a starting point for a website or for something else. Or that was it for this video. In the next one, we will recreate the design that we created in this video into the code. The technologies we will use for that are Quick and Tailwind CSS. Why? Because my website is already built using these technologies and they work quite nice together, and the result is a crazy fast website. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and consider subscribing, and I see you in the next one. Bye!